Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset 2021 Honda HRV oil light, easy method. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and navigate the instrument cluster menu using the steering wheel buttons to find the maintenance or oil life display. Press and hold the select or enter button until the oil life resets to 100%. Confirm the reset by turning the vehicle off and restarting to check the indicator. Begin with the ignition in the on position and the engine off so dash systems are active, but the car does not start. Use the left side steering buttons to open the vehicle information menu and scroll to the maintenance or oil life display. When oil life appears, press and hold the select or enter button for several seconds until the display counts to 100%. Turn off the ignition, then start the vehicle to verify the oil light is cleared. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like if this guide is helpful. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading service manuals and repair guides effortless with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for garage work. It feels light and durable, so you can take instructions with you easily while working on your HRV. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not take, check the battery and try the procedure again from the OFF position to on position without starting. Some HRV trims have slightly different menu names, so look for maintenance or oil life labels and consult the owner manual if needed. If the light persists after a successful reset, double-check the oil level and consider a professional inspection to rule out sensor or maintenance issues before driving extensively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.